So, who should you name to act on your healthcare directive? Hi, I'm Claire from the Yanowitz Law Firm, where we've been helping families with healthcare directives for the last 30 years. Okay, let's get started. So, a common question I get from clients is who should I name to act on my behalf on my healthcare directive? And the healthcare directive is a document that nominates who's going to act on your behalf to make your medical decisions if you're unable to make those for yourself. And this could include deciding where you receive care, if you need to be you go to a long-term care facility or a rehabilitation facility, your healthcare directive would be deciding where you go. They would also make decisions regarding refusing care. So maybe you're at a time in your life where they don't think that you would want to receive care. They could refuse care. It may shorten your life expectancy. So those are all kind of in the purview of acting as a healthcare directive agent. And when you think about who should act in this role, oftentimes people will consider close family members, and that can work out well. It's important when you're thinking about different family members that you trust. You want to think about someone who wants to respect your wishes. So sometimes people might have different wishes on how long someone wants to live at the end or certain care that they should receive. So you want to make sure that you have someone who's on board, who's going to act consistent with your wishes. It can be helpful to have someone who isn't terribly far away. So oftentimes people's families scatter around the globe. And so I get that question a lot. My family member doesn't live here. Should I list them? And it kind of depends. If they're able to come here a lot, it might be different, but it's helpful. The reason why it's helpful to be here in person is if you are incapacitated, they're going to be doing rounds in the hospital. It's helpful if someone is present there during the rounds to talk to the medical team, that someone is able to show up to wherever you are, check in, see how you're doing. So having that face-to-face contact with you to see what is going on can be very helpful. Other things that people have to think about on their healthcare directive is, if they want to be cremated, buried, or be silent about it, and then, your family can decide at that time. Some people want to be real specific, some people don't. Another question that we oftentimes ask folks on the healthcare directive is, do you want to donate your organs or not, or be silent about that? Something to consider with the organ donation question: if a close friend or family member needed your organs, in that case, would you want to donate? And some cases you'd want to donate, in some cases you wouldn't. It might be best to indicate that you're going to be silent about your wishes on your healthcare directive, and then to articulate those to your family. If someone in our inner circle needs an organ, then I would to donate. So that is a scenario that I find that a lot of clients don't think about when they think about the organ donation question. So thank you for your attention today. If you'd like to learn more about wills, trusts, and probate, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel so you can learn and be notified when we post new videos. Thank you.